He cut his head off.
Dude, yeah.
Holy.
These officers have just arrived at a children's park after a strange 911 call. They expect to check on someone in need, but instead, they walk straight into a scene so brutal it leaves even veteran officers frozen in disbelief.
Oh! I gotta puke.
We have a human head and a human body. We have both parts, they're just not connected.
What follows is one of the most vile discoveries the Las Cruces PD has ever made.
Did you see the knife? It was this big.
Yeah, it's a small knife. All right, let's look for any more victims.
Dude, there could be another head in that bag.
So I was just driving, right, and then I pulled into Apalaca Park, and I seen there was a body laying on the floor, and then I think his head was on the side of it.
Okay, could you tell if he was breathing?
So then I no, his head was completely off of his body.
What do you mean?
Like he was decapitated.
Following the 911 call, a group of officers are dispatched to investigate. But the caller also mentions something alarming. The crime looks fresh, and there's a man in the park acting suspiciously. As officers make their way to the scene, they have no idea that the man the caller saw is actually the killer, hiding in the park and watching them.
Have one officer in the entrances.
947, we got the east blocked off. We just need the south part of the park blocked off.
It looks old.
Okay.
It's...
Go make 2-5 with them. Someone's sitting right there.
Officers arrive and find a man lying motionless in the middle of the road with his head completely severed. As they begin securing the scene, one officer spots a man sitting beneath a tree just a few feet away. He signals another officer to move in and make contact, and when he approaches, he instantly notices that the man is covered in blood.
946, make 2-5 with a pedestrian in the middle of the park. Sir, put your hands up. Stand up. Come over here. Put your hands up. Put your hands up. Get on your knees. Put your hands where I can see them.
Contact. I got cover. You got contact. Shift.
Hey, there's Rick.
Slow down. Yeah.
Nope. I just lost my...
Just pat him down, bro.
Yeah. I'm off there.
Is it cool if I take everything out of your pocket?
Put gloves on, please. Put gloves on, please.
Yeah, I got gloves. Here you go.
Get on it. Hey.
We need somebody to stay at the intersection to make sure our scene doesn't get contaminated. Smith, get back to the intersection.
Smith, go on the body.
After cuffing the bloodied man, officers also notice a blood-stained knife resting beside him. What stands out most to officers, however, is his eerily calm demeanor. He seems completely detached from the horror in front of him, as if none of it has anything to do with him. To them, it's clear something is very wrong with this man. Still, it seems like they've caught their killer. But what they don't realize yet is that this isn't the first time he's been arrested for murder. While 2 officers escort the suspect to a patrol car, the others move in to secure the scene and look for more victims. Anyone could be out there. But as the search begins, the brutality of what they just witnessed starts to sink in, making it hard to stay focused.
All right, let's look for any more victims.
He cut his head off.
Dude.
He has a knife. It's a small...
Just stand by with it.
I'm right here by the rock because there's a big pool of blood in the grass. I don't want to walk close to it because I don't want to get in trouble for walking so close to it. But do they say they have a suspect or a possible suspect?
I'm like 99.99. That's it.
Oh really? You think so?
Here's one right there, next to the knife with all the blood.
Oh, is the knife and blood over there?
Yeah, it's like stuck to the ground. You can see all the blood on it.
Oh, okay, then never mind. I didn't know that part.
I got Ortiz watching where we got the dude.
Okay. Has he said anything?
Hey, everything John. He was smiling and laughing when we hooked him up.
Did you see the knife?
The one that was sticking in the ground?
Yeah, it was this big.
Yeah, it's a small knife. There might be another one because there's that bag that's covered in blood. At least it looks like blood.
Maybe there's another head in it.
I'm actually thinking about that.
Because there's blood clots on it.
Yeah.
Oh, drive by here and nobody closed that shit up.
Yeah.
It took a while. You know how hard does it get this?
My thing is people calling code 24 this, code 24
You can't call
all the time. Yeah, this motherfucker gets his head hacked off with a penknife.
And nobody says nothing. He was sitting there with his bloody hands next to his bloody bag, and then we found out the tree. Dude, he cut against the tree too. There was like an excavation
Raced him
spot.
against the
You think he's just crazy?
But you have to be, bro.
So they did their business, came over here and let people like, hey, let this motherfucker be seen on the street.
No, it's just one dude.
That's what I'm saying.
Dude, he had to be gnawing at that thing for a while though. Spines, dude, are tough. Like you had it, you had to be going to town on that thing.
An average male several blows with an axe.
Yeah, like that's meant for chopping.
Yeah.
You guys already cleared by that playground and everything?
Yeah, it was clear all over there. You had two with a gun on Pike. Got all his 49.
You have what?
We got all his 49.
Okay. I think the park's clear now because I came up all the way from the west coming east. So go back with Ramirez and one of you all decide who's going to go 10-8, okay?
Officers canvass the park and, fortunately, find no other victims. But as they work on the scene, one detail keeps coming up in their conversations: the bloodied knife beside the suspect. They can't believe that a weapon this small could have been used to behead a man. But as it would soon turn out, they were focused on the wrong detail, because what the suspect did after the murder would shock detectives even more. For now, though, detectives turn their attention to the victim.
Oh no, that.
Stop.
Oh, I don't know.
He's got a scorpion on his back.
Like a,
You can go look. Go.
okay.
So the scene is right there.
Where?
Right there. You see all the blood? Why? How? He drove this ball. The head got over there somehow. So he either had to pick it up and move it, or he kicked it, or rolled it, or something like that. So we got a tattoo. Times too long. Yeah, we got some stab wounds, some good stab wounds. Multiple stab wounds, and he was saying it's a 2-inch knife. Yeah. Got a small stab wounds right there.
What's that, Dustin? Glass?
Right there.
See that shiny stuff there and there? What is that?
Could be spit. Yeah, could be spit.
Looks homeless, kinda?
Yeah, the camp that's up here. See where they're at. Yeah, see, they said there's a camp up there, so I'm wondering if that's where he's actually been staying at.
And you think you drug him away?
Yeah, because there's got drug marks, and if you shine your light up there, right by this tree, there's a puddle of blood right there, and blood on the tree. He either was carrying the head, or the head fell off from that time. It looks like and there's a roll right there. A roll? Yeah, because there's blood right there. Or kicked it. Yeah.
The victim is identified as 51-year-old James Garcia. His head is found nearly 20 feet from his body, and an autopsy would later confirm more than 80 stab wounds. Drag marks across the park suggest he was attacked, beheaded, then moved deliberately into the roadway. Meanwhile, at the patrol car, an officer works to confirm the suspect's identity.
Bro, what's your name?
So, this is what he gave me. I don't know if you guys found any identification. Laser said he didn't feel a lot on.
Start right.
Yeah.
As word spreads of the suspect's identity, one officer realizes this isn't the first time he's dealt with Joel.
You know who the suspect is?
Science.
It's Joel.
Huh?
It's Joel.
Which one? Joel.
Joel Science.
He's the one that Code 5 Vex wrote death to in his own blood and then signed his name.
8 weeks before this incident, Joel went on a vandalism spree in Las Cruces. He smashed the windows of 2 local businesses, and inside one of them, officers found walls covered in homophobic slurs and hate-filled messages, written in marker and smeared with blood. Damages totaled thousands of dollars, and surveillance cameras captured Joel disappearing into the night. He was arrested days later and charged with multiple felonies, but was released pending trial. A clear warning of what officers would encounter just weeks later. Joel is transported to the Las Cruces police station and placed in a booking cell awaiting the detective's arrival. When they arrive, they waste no time and begin his interrogation, hoping to get a confession. But Joel has different plans.
Joel?
Yes, sir.
I'm Detective Gonzalez, Las Cruces Police Department. This is my partner, Detective Lockridge. You feeling all right now?
Oh, yeah, I'm good.
Okay. What were you doing at Apodaca Park this past night?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay. Who were you there with? Tell me what you do know, Joel. Tell me what you do know.
What do you know?
What happened? What'd you get on your hands? What's that? You don't know what you got on your hands? And you don't know what you were doing in Apodaca Park tonight?
What were you doing?
I wasn't in Apodaca Park until I got called.
Me neither.
That's what officers found.
Yes.
So why do you think you're here, Joel?
You guys brought me here, you tell me.
I'm asking you why we brought you here.
Why did you?
I don't know. I'm asking you.
You asked me.
Huh?
I don't know. You asked me.
Joel refuses to talk, and for the next 30 minutes, he gives detectives nothing. It's clear he won't break that easily, so they decide to give him a break. In the meantime, they collect his blood-stained clothing, DNA samples, and photographs, then begin digging into his past, and finally discover why Joel is so good at deflecting. Years earlier, officers were called to the Townhouse Motel after reports of a shooting. Inside, they found 21-year-old Benjamin Montoya dead on the floor with a gunshot wound to the chest. The man arrested at the scene was Joel Arciniega Sands. He was charged with first-degree murder, but there was one problem. The weapon was missing. Months later, the gun surfaced after a robbery arrest, and with no way to prove who pulled the trigger on Benjamin, the charges were dropped. Joel walked free. When Joel returns to the interrogation room, detectives have a new, unorthodox strategy. They use his history of writing homophobic slurs against him, suggesting the victim was his boyfriend, hoping to provoke a reaction and get him to confess what really happened.
Joel, I'm just trying to find out more information about James. So, was he your boyfriend? Were you guys dating each other? Okay, were you guys in some kind of lover's quarrel? Oh?
Who's that?
Like, because he's your boyfriend, you guys got in an argument?
I told you that.
That's just what I'm getting.
Who's getting me that?
You tell me, man.
Why would you call me gay?
I'm not calling you gay. Yeah, I'm not judging you.
I'm married.
You're married?
Yeah.
Who are you married to? Are you married to James?
Are you trying to insult me?
Huh?
Are you insulting me?
No, I'm not insulting you. I'm not calling you gay.
Well, why are you calling me gay though?
We're not calling you gay. We're just asking you what it is. I didn't call you gay.
Just call me gay.
I said, are you married to James?
No, who told you I'm married to James? I don't know I'm married.
Okay, well, I'm trying to find out why James is dead in a park and you have his blood all over your hands.
I'm not gay, I bet you are. Where are you getting this from? You're lying.
I'm not lying about anything.
You're lying.
You're telling me I don't know
You're
everything.
detective. Yeah, you act like a child.
I'm not acting like a child.
Yes, you are.
Okay.
Oh,
so then tell me about James. Tell me about James.
Shows your keen sense.
Is that why you're pissed because James thought you were gay?
No.
Did James hit on you?
No.
Did he make some kind of advance towards you that you didn't like?
No. You want to fight me?
I don't want to fight you.
Well, let's get some like things like that.
I don't want to fight you.
Don't call me gay.
I'm not calling you gay.
I'll beat the shit.
Okay. Here's what I think happened. You and James are in a relationship. He said something to you, and you killed him.
Where did you hear?
Does your wife know where you're at right now?
I'm not gonna tell you.
Does she know that you're sleeping in the park with another guy?
No. Well, I'm not.
You told me earlier you're sleeping in the park. You and James are the only ones in the park.
I didn't do that.
That's exactly what you told me.
No, I've never seen that.
It's on the camera.
That's all I said.
Look, Joel, we know what you did. We just want to know why you did it. So why did you kill that guy?
It's because he My wife.
Your wife. When did this happen?
4 years ago.
4 years ago?
Yeah.
Okay. Was that reported?
No, we were all homeless.
What's that?
We were all homeless.
You guys are all homies.
Homeless.
Homeless, I'm sorry.
Those are our bags that you had to go steal from us.
Okay. Which bags are yours?
Those 3 backpacks belonged to my wife and her 2 friends.
Okay.
I wanted to get them back. I just tried to take them. He pulled the gun on me, you saw it. So yeah, I have a knife and I stabbed him down.
And what else did you do?
I cut his head off. And I dragged his body down the street and the kid had been soccer with his head.
You played soccer with his head?
Yeah, I keep flat passing cars. I told you what you wanted, so. I appreciate that. I appreciate you being honest with us. I need a cigarette. You want a cigarette? See what I can do for you, okay? See if I can get you a cigarette. Alright.
Within minutes, Joel loses his composure and admits to the killing. He claims James Garcia had sexually assaulted his wife years earlier, that he pulled a gun on him, forcing him to act in self-defense. But when detectives searched the scene, they found no weapon and later confirmed there was no record of a marriage, no victim, and no report of any assault. It was a story entirely fabricated by Joel to justify what he'd done. The interrogation ends there, and Joel is transported to the Doña Ana County Detention Center, where he's formally charged with first-degree murder. Over the following years, the case stalls after Joel is declared mentally incompetent to stand trial and placed under psychiatric evaluation. During that time, investigators learn that Joel has suffered from schizophrenia since the age of 11 and had been off his medication for years. It wouldn't be until March 2025, almost 4 years after the killing, that he's finally ruled competent and brought before a jury. After a week-long trial, the jury finds Joel Arciniega Sáenz guilty of first-degree murder. He now faces a life sentence in the New Mexico Department of Corrections.